Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Miracle Mirror. In today's video I'm going to share with you guys yet another DIY eyelash and eyebrow growth serum. So let's get started. For this remedy we will need mustard oil, coconut oil, glycerin. Glycerin is easily available at any medical stores. Take a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of mustard oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, half a teaspoon of glycerin. And mix very well to form a serum like this. Now apply this mixture onto your eyebrows and eyelashes. I have used mustard oil. It is a very rich source of many nutrients and elements like zinc and selenium, which benefits the hair follicles to grow stronger and healthier. Coconut oil. This oil works wonders for the lashes and brows since it maintains well hydrated and prevents them from falling out by providing the essential nutrients. Glycerin. Glycerin, when incorporated with these oils, form a superb combo to aid guaranteed results. So to get the desired results, keep using this remedy continuously. I hope this video was useful for you. If so, please like and subscribe, and also share it with your friends and family as well. Take care. Bye-bye.